In this exercise, we are going to complete this phrase. So, the first one is given as an example. Mon chien, my dog, et mon chat, my cat. So, we are going to complete each of these phrases by filling in the blanks. Now, mon père, my father. So, what would be the word to complete this? My mother. Now, we know the noun for mother is mère, and here the noun is feminine, and we want to say my mother. So, the words for my are mon, ma, me. So, for feminine singular, we use ma. Mon père et ma mère. So, this is how we use the possessive in a phrase. The next one, ma maman et. So now, ma mama, and to complete this, we use papa, papa, and since this noun is masculine, we say mon papa. So we are using the possessive here because possessive is used in the first half of the sentence. Now the next one, la Marie. So here la is used. So we need to write la. Marie is husband. So the word here would be femme. La Marie et la femme. La Marie et la femme. The next one, le train ou la. So what, the train is a vehicle. What other vehicle can be used here where we need to use la? I use voiture. Voiture. So you can use anything here in this case to fill it up. I chose voiture. And finally the last one, ma valise, my suitcase, a. So they used ma here. So the adjective used here was ma. Now we need to use a noun here that uses either mon or ma, whatever you want. So you need to fill in one of the nouns here. So this I leave it up to you. You can choose whatever noun you want. So the noun I choose here is sac, because here valise means suitcase, sac is a bag. So you can choose any noun in these cases. These are the cases where mon père, we know the sentence gets completed with ma mère. So these two sentences, we can use any noun here. So I hope you understood how we use the possessive adjective now.